Hello dears and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you the options which is available under type menu. So I'm going to show you the bullets and numbering, and here we have this insert special character, insert white space character, and we have insert break character, and here we have this fill with placeholder text, and also we have two more options which is available with type menu, which is the show hidden characters. The shortcut for that is Alt plus Control plus I, and also one last option here which is type orientation, which is really important option, and the last option which is available with this type menu, which is leggy text. I'm going to explain that as well. So first I'm going to explain all these options one by one. So we're going to start from the bullets and numbering. So it can help you a lot if you want to add the bullet and numbering to your text. First I'm going to get my type tool. I'm going to place this with the text. So now I'm going to select everything, and if I want to add the bullet and numbering, so under type menu here we have this apply bullets, and also here we have this apply numbers. If I click on apply bullets, so here only we're going to get one bullet, but if I'm going to enter right here, so it's going to add one more bullet to my text. But if I want to change that to number, so here I need to click on the apply numbers. So the bullets automatically going to change to this number. So here we have this convert to text, and if we want to convert this whole paragraph back to this text, so first you have to select everything, and here now if I'm going to click on convert to text, now it's a text. But if I want to add here the space, so I can see any bullet or number here because we just convert that into text. So this is how you can add the bullets and number to your paragraph. So the next thing here we have this insert a special character, which I can add the samples. So under samples we have this bullet. So here is the shortcut for bullet, which is Alt plus 8, and also we have the copyright symbol, which is Alt plus G, and also we have this ellipsis, which is this shortcut for, and which is this Alt plus semicolon, and also we have paragraph symbol. The shortcut for that is Alt plus 7. So the register trademark symbol is Alt plus R. So the section symbol is Alt plus 6. So the trademark symbol here we have this Alt plus 2. So let's try to add one of the symbols which is available here. So I'm going to add the copyright symbol. As you can see, we have the symbol right here. If you need any symbol and you want to add that to your text, so simple, you can just insert a special character, and here you can add the symbol, which you can add the bullets, copyright symbol, ellipsis, or anyone you want to. You can use the shortcut as well. So here we have this hyphens and dashes. So if you want to add the em dashes, the shortcut for that is Alt plus Shift plus, and it is this minus. So if I want to add this to my text, so as you can see we have the em dash. So let's try to add one more thing here, which is this en dash as well. And also here we have this dictionary hyphens. So if I want to add this hyphen, let's try to add that. So here nothing is going to add, but if you're going to select your text and you want to add the, you need to go to this insert a special character with this hyphen and dash. Here we have dictionary hyphens. So as you can see, this is a dictionary hyphens. So we have quotation marks. You can add this double left quotation mark. So here is the shortcut, which is this Alt plus close bracket, and here we have this double right quotation marks, and the shortcut is right here. You can use the single left quotation marks, single right quotation marks, and here we have more things that you can add here. Like I can add this insert white space character, which is this em space. So the shortcut for em space is Shift plus Control plus M. So definitely if you're going to deal with typography, so you're going to need a lot of these things in your paragraph. So here, as you can see, we have the en space, we have the here space, we have the 10 space as well, which is a 10 space is going to be added with your text. So here we have this insert break character, which you can force a line break right here. If I want to select this part of the text and I want to add this, so let's try to add this insert break character, force line break. So as you can see, the selected is now, it's not going to show with this paragraph, but I can Control Z, but I can just put my cursor right here. And if I want to add, so I need to go to this insert break character and click on force line break. So this is how you can add the break to your sentence as well. So here we have this fill with place text. So let's try to delete all of the text inside this area type, and I want to add a new text. So I'm going to click on the type menu. So here I'm going to click on first with placeholder text. So now as you can see, we have the text right here. And if you're going to use your type tool, I want to place this area with the text. So simple, you're going to just, so now you have the text. But if you didn't see any text right here, maybe you're going to delete the text and you want to place this area, the text. So you're going to add this fill with placeholder text. So here we have this option, which is show hidden characters, which you can use this Alt plus Control plus I. So let's try to add this to our paragraph. So here, as you can see, we have this hidden character that just added to our paragraph. Maybe you're going to need that. You want to see the hidden characters with your paragraph. So simply you're going to check this, and you can use this shortcut as well. So here we have this type orientation. You can, now it's horizontal, but if I want to change that to vertical, so it's going to be a vertical paragraph. So the last thing which is here is legacy text, which I can use. Legacy text is something like I can use to save this text with the older version of the Adobe Illustrator, and you want to open that. So simple, you're going to use this legacy text with this type menu. But I didn't open any paragraph or text which is opened from any old version of Adobe Illustrator, so that's why this option is not available with type menu. So this is how we can use the rest of the options with type menu, and hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to use all the options with type menu. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.